Hello everyone, this is Manali teacher from St. Paul's High School nursery section. So today we are going to move forward with our alphabet. Yes, today we are going to overtake the next letter from what we've already learned. So before that, shall we revise all the previously learnt letters? Shouldn't we? Let's revise.
A says A. B says B. C says K. D says D. E says E. F says F.
So, we have successfully revised all the letters from A to F. Now, what comes after letter F? Let us start from the beginning to catch the flow of it. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. That's absolutely correct. Letter G. So today we will learn more about letter G. Do you know the phonetic sound of letter G? G says G. The sound of letter G is G. G. Everyone, the sound for letter G is G. G says G. Do you want to know what objects relate to this letter? Let's find out and do some reading with G saying the sound G.
Letter G. G says G. Capital letter, small letter. G. G. Grapes. G for grapes. G. G. Guitar. G for guitar. G. 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 Girl. G for girl. Which animal do you see next? Yes, it's a giraffe. But do you notice that it is not following the pattern for the sound of letter G, which is G? So be careful. G for giraffe. G says G. 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 Gate. G. 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 Green. G. 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 Grass.
So many objects starting from letter G and the sound G. We also understood that G for giraffe, even though it does not start with the G sound, G sound. It starts with G for giraffe. Now let's move forward and do our writing practice. Let's learn how to write letter G. Do you want to learn? So here we go. Hold your finger in the air and let's do air writing first. Make a front open curve just like this. Do you know how to write letter C? Yeah, just like that. Come on. Front open curve. Now take this curve above. Stop. And now a sleeping line and a standing line. There you are. That's letter G. It may be a little complicated at first, but it's very easy when you practice.
Make a front open curve just like this. Sleeping line and standing line. Let's practice once again. Front open curve just like a C. Take the curve till up above. Sleeping line and standing line.
Wow, now that you have learned how to write letter G, don't you think we should write a page or two about it? And a surprise element, teacher as always will teach you two new objects related to letter G. Let's find out what are the two objects that teacher teaches you. So let's start writing G. Get ready with your red and blue line 4 lines book. Write today's date and get started.
Capital letter G. To start writing letter G, we will first write today's date on the page. Yes? Also, we will mention C.W. Why are we mentioning that? Even though online, it is a lecture, classwork. So C.W. Now, make a front open curve, sleeping line and standing line. There you go with your letter G. It is that simple. Front open curve, sleeping line and standing line. Make sure that you stretch the curve upward after you touch the second blue line. When you stretch the curve upward up till the first blue line, you take a halt and then make a sleeping line and then a standing line. Make sure that the sleeping line is not too far away from the curve, and standing line up till the second blue line. Front open curve, sleeping line and standing line. Now let us make the object related to letter G. Any guesses? Yes, it is the grapes. Why? Because G says G, 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 grapes. Okay, now let us learn drawing the grape. To draw a bunch of grapes, what you have to do is draw 3 circles in a line. Once you're done with that, come just to the next line. Stick the 2 circles in between those 3 circles. Repeat with 1 single circle at the end. Now go to the top, make a standing line and sleeping line. There you are. Your delicious juicy grapes are ready. G says G, 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 grapes. G for grapes. What is the color of the grape? Green. Yes, the grape is also available in other color. Can you guess which it is? G says G, 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 grapes. Who all like having G, G, grapes? Do you know of any more objects related to letter G which has not been mentioned in this video? If yes, we would love to have your suggestions in the comment section below. Teacher will be very, very glad to see more objects related to letter G. Let us write one more page because you all are doing so well. Yes? But what is the surprise element? On this page, you will not have grapes but a new object. Do you wish to see which one? Guess this, guess this. Yes. It is the grass. When you go down to play, do you see grass? Small leafy plants. Yeah, it lacks stem. Right, it is just leaves like this. Grass. G, letter G. G says G, 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 grass. G for grass. On the previous page we drew, do you remember what did we draw? Yes, grapes, absolutely correct. G says G, 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 grapes. G says G, 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 grass. Do you remember the formation of letter G? To write letter G, we make a front open curve, extend the curve up till the first blue line upward, sleeping line and then standing line. It may seem complicated, but it is not. You just make a curve, sleeping line and standing line. G, G, G. Grass. The phonetic sound for letter G is G. Write neatly, write slowly, complete your work. Very well done. Y'all are so dedicated. This is letter G. Capital letter G. G says G, 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 grass. So you have learnt writing all the letters. That's very well. Good job.
A big round of applause to all of you. Yay! Now you have successfully completed the course for letter G. Do practice all the letters from A to G with their phonetic sounds because that helps you for reading. Read a page about all the letters and relating the objects. Your revision should always be on and continuous. Do practice writing, relate the objects and keep studying. That's all for today. This is Manali teacher signing off. See you again in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and study online.